Hey programmers, we're going to do a little bit more on this box. We're going to do a little bit of validating, and right now we're going to validate this PRE ID text box, but first we want to create another label. Okay, we're going to put this over here, and we're going to call that name label 3. And I have noticed too, if you look in regular mode on these YouTube videos, it's kind of hard to see the screen, but if you put it in high definition and do the whole screen, you can see it a lot better. Okay, now we're going to make an event on the text change field, and it's going to be almost identical to the last one, except it's a little different. You know, if it was exactly the same, all we would have to do is copy the code. So we're going to go ahead and, from the last time we validated the employee number, we're going to copy that code and just delete out what we don't need. Paste. Alrighty. So we're going to make sure we change the field names. And we're going to do the integer check, make sure it's a number entered. And if it's an error, we're going to send them back. And the last time we did a date time, we're not going to do that this time. Okay, cut that out. Now we got to select our PRE, and we're going to change the field. The label we're going to be working with is label 3 this time. We don't have any. We are going to have some group boxes, but we don't have one yet, so we're not going to worry about that. So then we're going to say if name string is spaces, then we're going to give an error message. And we're going to say send them back here, space out that. We're not messing with the group box again. And we're going to change the focus to this item. Else, name label 3 is name string, and we don't care about that. We will leave the week text box in. We're going to, but he's 3, and end date. Okay, we don't have a date on this one, and we don't have a type and an hours. Cut. So let's see if this works for us. I just don't know because we're doing this live. It did build. Let's see if it'll run. Okay, just hours. We'll say me 1104. Let's see if it does anything. There it is. We found that. We got the current week. Okay, so that's all we're going to do on this video. The next one we'll work on a different box. Alrighty.